Okay. For part A, in order for you to be able to solve the problem, there is something that you have to remember. If I have E, then this is ln, then something inside, right? So this can be simplified as the something inside. So which means that E ln to the power of ln x, the answer is x. Are you clear? So make sure the coefficient of ln must be 1. If, for example, if I have E to the power of 2 ln x, I must write it as E to the power of ln x squared. Then the answer is x squared. So take note of this. So this is something that it may be new to you. Yep. So therefore, to answer my part A, I have to simplify first. X times ln 2 plus x plus 3 over 2 x to the power negative 1. Okay, I must make it like that. So all use power term. So dy dx, ln 2 is a constant, ln 2 times x, so the derivative will be ln 2. Derivative for rate of change of x will be 1. Rate of change of 3 over 2 x to the power negative 1 will be multiplied by the power take away 1. So the whole thing will be ln 2 plus 1 take away 3 over 2x squared. Okay, for part B, for you to differentiate this, you use the ln formula. That is, if you have a ln fx, so the answer is a, then it's a fraction. Fx put at the bottom here, and f prime x put on top. Okay, so your y equal to ln x. So whatever inside here, this is your fx, okay? So therefore, your dy dx will be equal to, when you differentiate ln, is fraction, correct? So you put your fx at the bottom here. So the derivative for ln x will be 1 over x. So the whole thing will be 1 over x ln x. Are you okay? Okay, part C should be simple enough. Before you differentiate, you simplify first. Make it to 1 exponential term minus 5. So when you differentiate exponential term, you copy down the whole thing. Then you time by the derivative of the power. The rate of change of x is 1. The rate of change of x squared is 2x. And the rate of change of 5 is 0. So the answer is, please make sure you put in bracket. Are you okay? This one everyone should be able to do. Yep. So let's go to part D. Okay. So for part D, there's something very important that you have to remember. Okay. We only know how to find the rate of change of exponential term, that is base E. Any other base, you must change to base E. So changing base, huh? So any number, I can change it to e to the power of ln any number. So this is how you view A. Are you okay? So now 2, I have to write as e to the power of ln 2. Would that be okay? So please remember this. So now my y equal to e to the power of ln 2. This is my 2. Then to the power of x. Okay, so this will be e to the power of ln 2 times x. So when you differentiate exponential term, you copy down the whole thing. Then you multiply by the rate of change of the power ln 2 times x. The rate of change is ln 2. Okay, then for this one, you can change back to 2 to the power x. So that is the answer. Is that okay? Student, when you differentiate exponential term, you are supposed to write the rate of change of the power there. Hello? So what is the rate of change of a number times x? It's the number itself, am I right? It's not what happened to x, okay? There is no other way but to use chain rule. So you use your chain rule, dy dx equal to multiply by the power, copy down the whole thing, power take away 1, time by, okay, ln x. What is the rate of change of ln x? Yeah. What is the rate of change of x squared? That's it. Done. So you can rewrite your answer as negative e ln negative e times 1 over x plus 2x, the whole thing divided by ln x plus x squared, the whole thing squared. Okay? So are you familiar with all the formula? Any problem with all the exercises? Okay, degree 3. So if I differentiate, find the rate of change, you have to bring down the power, correct? Like for example, I have a 4x cubed. So I will write 4 multiplied by the power take away 1, correct? So it becomes degree 2. Am I right? So now, which means that this is degree 2. So can you tell me what is the value of A? Based on this concept, so you straight away know what is the power, what is the value of A. So you make a conclusion. You don't have to explain. You just say, therefore, A is equal to 2 plus 1. That is 3. Are you okay? Okay, so now I have my fx equal to 2x minus b cubed, right? So what am I going to use to differentiate this? Definitely I use chain rule. So my f prime x will be equal to 3 times of 2x minus b power take away 1 times by 2. Correct? Am I going too fast? Okay, so this will be 6 2x minus b squared. So now I compare. I compare with whatever given to me. So can I factorize out the 6? Yep. So you can either expand this or you, okay, I expand. I think expand is easier, correct? So I expand this. I expand this. Two times b times x plus b squared. All right, I expand that. So now b squared is equal to, so what is b? B is, or is it better still you get it from here? So b equal to 1. Negative 4b is equal to negative 4. So b equal to 1. So you are done with this question. Are you okay? So you can compare this or this, up to you. Okay, that is how you do. Okay. When I say the point when x equal to 3, y equal to 1. So I can punch into the formula. So I will get 1 equal to a divided by square root of 1 plus b times 3. Okay, so done. One equation. Two unknown with one equation, I cannot do anything. So, and they give us another information, that is when x equal to 3, the rate of change is equal to negative 1 over 8. So now, before we can put this information, we must get the rate of change function. So our y equal to a 1 plus b x to the power of negative half. Okay? So we use chain rule. Multiply by the power. Copy down the whole thing. Power take away 1. Time by the rate of change of the inside here. Okay, rate of change of 1 is 0. Rate of change of bx is b. Are you okay? So now the whole thing can be now written and simplified as a times b, and there is a negative sign, so negative ab over 2 square root of 1 plus bx, the whole thing cube. So if next time you have a to the power n over n, So you can say root of and the whole thing power n. Understand? You can write it like that so it's more comfortable. Yeah. Okay, so now I put in x equal to 3, dy dx equal to 1 over 8. So negative 1 over 8 equal to negative a times b over 2 times of square root of 1 plus 3b, the whole thing cube. Okay, so this is equation 2. So now I try to rearrange equation 2 so that I can write A as a subject, or you write equation 1. Okay, look, from 1. Okay, square root of 1 plus 3b equal to A, correct? Student, am I right? Yeah. Okay, so now go to equation 2. Negative 1 over 8 equal to negative. Okay, now the A, I just write as square root of 1 plus 3b, correct? Times B over 2 times of square root of 1 plus 3b cube. Hello? So now, you look here. This is cube. This is power 1, correct? So now we can cancel off. This one become power 2. Am I right? Hello? So now I simplify. Never mind, you do it step by step. So you have square root and square, so it becomes 2 into 1 plus 3b. So now you cross multiply. Yeah. So both sides got negative, the negative can just cancel off. Okay. So you got 2 into 1 plus 3b is equal to 8b. So you can divide by 2 also. So you have 1 plus 3b equal to 4b. So b equal to 1. Got it? So therefore, my A is equal to square root of 1 plus 3b is 1. So it's square root of 4 equal to 2. Done. So this one you have to solve by substitution method. Are you okay? So question 7, you try by yourself. Before you do question, okay. Before I end the class, I would like you to